Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change your hair color on your Pokemon GO account. So at first, just open your phone. As you open your phone, open your Pokemon GO app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon app, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, you are in the space as I am. So just stay in the space and look at your left bottom corner for your face and just click on there at first. And as you click it, you can see the space pop up on your screen. So all you have to do is click on the option style right here. And as you click it, you can go for the option appearances at the top and just click it to view the page. And as you view it, you can see the color of the hair you can change into. Just select any of the color you like. So guys, that's how to change the hair color on your Pokemon GO account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.